blowing pretty good out there. That was another good one. The thing producing all the thunder, the lightning, is all offshore. It even shows on the lightning.org site. But for a while, the lightning was pretty quiet. There wasn't much. Yeah, the wind keeps coming back. Pretty windy out there. Yeah, it was just a quiet part. Like it was just a rain event. And then it kind of kicked up a notch. Ooh, yeah. We got the purple lightning thing. I think that was the third time. I think it's mostly anvil lighting. That was pretty bright. Ooh, that was some purple. I'm gonna open the window and jam a little thing because it won't stay open. I just want to have increased audio. Okay. Ooh, it's nice. Well, it's only been just under 7 minutes. Feels like it's been a long time. There's been a lot of lightning. I wouldn't call this severe thunderstorm, but I would call it strong. Ooh, that was bright. this is definitely tropical like weather. Kind of nice though. That was pretty bright. All the thunder is very distant, no matter where it strikes. It all sounds about the same. It could be right overhead, but I think it's all anvil lighting. So even its closest approach, it's reasonably far away. Wind's picking up again. Oh yeah. Man, I looked away and that one was bright. I think there was a little bit of color to that too. Gotta look through the viewfinder and see what it looks like on cam. And it looks like the trees are a little cut off by the windows frame, but I could give it a height adjustment. Is that any better? Yeah, it's not bad. I still have lots to learn when it comes to meteorology. It's like, I don't know. Where does it get its energy from, if not the sun? Because the sun is off right now. And, I mean, yeah, I get it. It's still hot out here. Night times are unsleepable without AC. That was pretty great. this year is currently projected to be uncharted historic El Nino, which is supposed to kick up, was it the trade winds or something, or kicks up some wind shear and makes for a less busy Atlantic hurricane season. But we're still getting something that kind of has a tropical sense to it. Ooh, yeah, there's some purple with that. I can't say I've witnessed a single lightning strike come outside of a cloud. It just all appears to be diffused lightning. I want to see some fucking bolts. I want to see them little fingers coming out, finding the path of least resistance through the atmosphere. I would still consider this to be a pretty scary place to be outside. I'm shifting it a little bit to the left. In this case would be north, because it is heading north. And I think it's mostly to the left of the frame before adjustment. Ooh, that was good. This is definitely spider lightning type weather. I think spider lightning is just another name for anvil lightning, but if it were visible, we would be calling it something more spider. weather is always happening. If it's sunny, it's still weather. So we have, I was pretty certain we had Saharan dust coming over and making the air drier. Thought it was supposed to be dry for a good week or so. But today, seen some pictures in Bradenton, Florida about some pretty big, nasty tall storms. Like just a mothership type thing. And this weather checks. It's must have just got just enough dry days, hot days to build up for a rush of moisture. Ooh, I saw a little bit poke out of the cloud that time. Okay. I like severe storms, as long as I know I'm in a safe place. The lightning's really the only thing I'm worried about. It's so unpredictable. That's probably why it's so scary. That and it goes big loud boom, crackle sound, big flash of light. It's getting slapped by Zeus without even getting struck. Getting struck is a whole other problem. Like right now, the wind is really calm. It's at most 5 miles an hour. It's weird how the gusts come in waves. And I suppose it is just pressure oscillations in the atmosphere. Ooh, that was cool. Every once in a while, there's a lightning source directly east of my location and not north where we're pointed. And we're pointed northeast, but I dare say where I'm looking is out of frame to the right. And it doesn't produce a big, bright one, but it does poke through once in a while, and I do see it giving fingers. Yep. It flashed over there again, but no fingers. So it is a separate head of lightning. I wish I could have seen what this storm looked like before it came in. I only saw it on radar just as it was starting to thunder outside. By that time, it was already starting to come down. Big fat band of rain in the front. It rained pretty good, I'd say. And I think it's not raining out there now. It hasn't been raining out there for the last 20 minutes. The storm carries quite the canopy. I think there is more rain behind it, but nothing like that first band. Seems to be winding down a little bit. Frequency has dropped. Yeah, that thunderhead way east is a little bit more noticeable now. I don't think it's going to contribute to any show like this one here did. It's all kind of the same mass. Yeah, it's definitely died down. Even if one takes now, it's been a lot longer in between. There's that very far east one flashing. But that's more of a Bahamas storm, I would imagine, as far away as it is. Alright. Flinix out.